Modern nature.
Modern natured. Modern nature. Modern natured. Modern natured. Modern natured. Your fashion week.
Hey guys, so we just made it to Istanbul, Turkey. I'm super excited. I'm getting really more excited than I was 2 weeks ago. We are headed to Moscow, guys. We're headed to the BRICS Fashion Summit, the largest fashion summit in the world. My birthday was 2 days ago. My girl is here with me.
Hi everyone.
And we're just about to go to Moscow and turn it up. See ya!
Nicole and I were invited to represent the USA at the 2024 BRICS Fashion Summit. I had the opportunity to showcase a few of my pieces and lead a workshop on technology and luxury fashion product management.
For example, these 4 buttons are controlling light.
How gorgeous. Just wow.
We kicked things off with a welcome dinner. Many guests stayed in to recover from the long travel, and Nicole needed her rest before speaking on her panel. The BRICS Fashion Summit brought together over 100 participants in Moscow, designers, educators, and fashion platform owners from all over the world. Nicole and I had different itineraries. While she attended VIP meetings and panels, I spent much of my time being interviewed by journalists, fashion students, and members of the press.
So tell me about your red flexion pants. Okay, so I'm not really into like seriously following trends. Sometimes you have to like break that, but make sure you're comfortable wearing whatever you have. We love modern nature. Thank you.
The local rainfall. They suited the climatic conditions and the soil conditions of that region where they were cultivated. So we are trying to support from cultivation.
Инклюзивность, мы не путаем, но в инклюзивность и устойчивость входит, поэтому я вас...
Cool beans. Hello everybody. My name is Nicole M. Best and I'm the founder of Noir Fashion Week. Noir Fashion Week is a fashion week that aids in the advancement of BIPOC creatives globally.
One highlight was dining at the Birds, the highest restaurant in Russia. An unforgettable experience.
City of Moscow.
You see from here the panorama of our wonderful big city. And in order to keep sure and certain that many of you have already visited.
So excited. So stay tuned. Look like that. No, you will not.
your brand as the example of effectiveness of product management. And I have one last question to sum up. What will be your 3 case
I led my
success
workshop,
that you will tell
educating
young
fashion
designers
designers on how to integrate agile tools and technology to help them scale while transparently aligning, communicating, and collaborating with their teams or anyone involved in product development.
If your drive runs out, then you might not get there, right? So you have to be driven and you have to put in the work. And then again, incorporating these designers. Yeah, I have something but my collection is.
Or the movement that makes you like very comfortable.
Okay, I got you.
The press was all over me, but I enjoyed talking to everyone. They were intrigued by my pieces and the workshop I led.
I love it here though. I love Moscow. I love Moscow. I love it here.
You see?
I just asked Emma where you were.
I saw you running in with the other two.
Тот, кто не подтвердил, и остальные.
So guys, we are wrapping up here at Moscow Fashion Week. Shout out to the BRICS Fashion Summit, guys. It's the largest fashion summit in the world.
Malibuti, Zambia, it's Emma.
Moscow owes me nothing, darling. Girl, mine's on my knees.